Did you know that the global manufacturing industry loses billions every year due to inefficiencies, defects, and downtime? Traditional methods are not able to keep up with the demand, but computer vision is changing the game. In today's video, we'll explore how computer vision is revolutionizing manufacturing and how Labellerr plays a role. Let's dive in. Despite the presence of automation, factories still struggle with defects. Tiny cracks or misalignments go unnoticed until products fail quality checks. Unplanned downtime. Machines break down without warning. Worker safety risks. Human error or fatigue leads to accidents in high-risk zones. Inventory chaos. Mismanaged parts delay production and increase costs. Inconsistent quality. Manual inspections miss flaws, hurting brand trust. These issues waste time, money, and resources. How computer vision solves these issues. Computer vision gives factories a digital eye to spot, predict, and act. Here's how. Cameras scan products on assembly lines. AI spots cracks, dents, or color mismatches in milliseconds. CV monitors machinery vibrations, heat, or wear. It alerts teams before parts fail, cutting downtime by 40%. Smart cameras detect unsafe actions, e.g. no helmet in hazardous zones, and trigger instant alerts. AI scans shelves and bins, tracking parts in real time. No more delayed orders. Vision systems inspect every product, ensuring 100% consistency. No tired eyes, no missed flaws. But here's the catch. These systems need millions of labeled images, defects, machinery parts, safety gear to work accurately. That's where Labellerr steps in. Computer vision needs lots of labeled images to work well. Labellerr simplifies this by easy classification. This feature helps classify the data as a whole. For example, using Boolean answers to determine whether workers are wearing helmets or not. SAM feature allows you to annotate objects with just a few clicks, speeding up tasks like annotating boxes during assembly line inspections. Flexible annotation types. Labellerr supports bounding boxes, polygons, and key points as required by your project. Check out more features that Labellerr offers. Demos are available on our channel. From spotting a single defective product to managing entire assembly lines, computer vision is redefining manufacturing. But none of this works without precise data annotation. Book a demo today to explore how Labellerr can help your manufacturing operations thrive. Link in the description.